I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Select Avada Forms as a trigger. Click on the Fetch button and go to your form page to submit it and fetch the Avada Forms. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to your integration site and here you can see that the Avada Forms fetched successfully. Change the data types of the email and phone number. Set action. Search and select Insightly. Give here an API key and API URL. Below the API URL, there is an example of the API URL. Follow the instructions, go to the Insightly dashboard. Copy your site's API URL and paste it on the integration site. To obtain the API key, please navigate to the Insightly dashboard. Click on the profile, then navigate to the user settings. Scroll down, copy the API key and paste it on the integration site. Authorized it. Authorization is successfully done. Next. Choose an action. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in actions and conditional logic. You can use it for your requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Now visit your form page, fill it out, and submit it. Form submitted successfully. So go to the Insightly dashboard and navigate to the contacts. You can see that the data has been successfully received in Insightly. Thanks for watching.